I'm an engineer. Boy, this here is just gonna keep happening and happening. Yee-haw! Incoming! Don't test my metal, son. Nice try, Slim. You and me, Hoss. Follow me, Doc. Medic! Yee-haw!
Danke, my hard-hearted friend. The teleporter goes here. Good to go.
Alrighty then. Somebody want to wrestle up a teleporter right here? Let's do this Texas style. This point ain't gonna cap itself. Get over here.
Good shooting. Well done. Excellent.
I wish y'all could see how bad I'm kicking your tail. Gotta move that gear up. Well, don't that beat all? At least you ain't worthless anymore. Aw, now you don't look like a happy camper. Shoot, son, you're all slow as molasses. Nope,